Can a monopod be innovative? This carbon fiber one can. But how does it stack up against Manfrotto Classic? Let's find out. Onion Pineta is definitely the most unique monopod I've ever used, thanks to its one-latch extended all mechanism called FISO. I hope I pronounced this right. FISO release system. You simply press the safety button and undo the latch, and now you can go all the way up from 75 cm to 145 cm. Not the biggest height, but it's so satisfying that you don't have to reach out to each and every latch or to twist every section. It takes literally 2 seconds to change the height from minimum to maximum. If you need more height, Onion sells an extension part with a quick release system that will make it up to 198 cm in height. Speaking of quick release systems, this Pineta monopod has 2 of those. On the top, so you can put off the whole tripod head plus camera just in 1 second and turn it into a little handheld rig. And also there is one more on the bottom, so you can detach a tripod feet and make a super low angle shot. Of course, the top and bottom parts do match. The tripod feet are much wider than on the classic Manfrotto monopod, which makes it a lot more stable. And the locking mechanism is easy to use. Onion Pineta has a simple ball head on the bottom, so you can tighten it and it'll be staying still, whereas Manfrotto, you know what I'm talking about. Thanks to the ball head, it has 130-degree tilting angle adjustment and even totally vertical mode, which helps a lot when you're doing those push-ins or push-outs with the monopod. There is a detachable rubber foot on the bottom, and you also get one extra in the kit. Speaking of the kit, you do get a soft carrying case with a shoulder strap and an additional zipper pouch inside. Unfortunately, there is no video tripod head in the basic kit, but there is a 1/4-20 and 3/8 thread on the quick release head. So you can use almost any head, like I did with the Manfrotto head during the surgery shoots, or you can use something smaller and simpler like this Ulanzi little video tripod head. By the way, here is an example of how I can adjust the height of this monopod on an actual shoot. And considering the specifics of shooting a real surgery, this fast-to-change height system was a real lifesaver. I also did a huge 10-hour reportage shoot in the airport, but I'm not allowed to show you any footage because of the NDA agreement. But trust me guys, it was super convenient to use, stable and fast. Enjoyed it. No matter why Onion Pineta is made of carbon fiber and the build quality is simply stunning with the max payload being 8 kg, it's also not light. 1.7 kg without a tripod head, Manfrotto is half a kilo lighter in this regard. Oh, and my particular model is called MQC145. I'll leave a link to it down below. So to me, there are 3 main pros and 3 main cons of this monopod. Pros: super cool fast single latch height adjustment, love this feature. Versatility, you can use it in a static tripod mode, by locking the ball head, or fluid motion like a classic monopod. And third is a quick release system that allows you to transform your monopod to a handheld rig or to make it a tabletop tripod. And 3 main cons: it is pretty heavy, and depending on the camera and the tripod head setup, it can be a problem. The second one is that the height range isn't my favorite, but it can be cured with the extension tube. And third, it is pricey, $340 for the monopod only, $400 for the monopod and the fluid head, and $100 for the extension tube. You should be really enjoying the concept and the functionality of this monopod to justify the price for yourself. But to be fair, there is an aluminum version of this monopod for $180, but I didn't have a chance to test it. To conclude, finally an innovation in the world of monopods. And you know what? The idea is great and I give it a thumbs up. But if Onion can work around those 3 cons that I've mentioned above, that would be a perfect monopod that can cover the needs of thousands of videographers all over the globe. So what do you think of the Onion Pineta, and which monopod do you use and why? Share your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video, smash the like and subscribe buttons. When I pick the best lightweight tripod on the market, watch the next video. Take care, bye.